Today I'm going to teach you how to make this Asian sardine soup recipe.
This recipe is super easy. You could buy sardines anywhere, and it's kind of like Filipino sardine sinigang. It has a really beautiful umami flavor, lots of vegetables. So add olive oil to a Dutch oven, add your onions. When they're fragrant, you need to add chopped tomatoes. And then after that, you're going to add your eggplant and you're going to saute for about 4 minutes till things are very fragrant and the tomatoes are broken up. Add 2 cups of vegetable broth. Add 1 cup of water. And then you're going to put a lid and add your salt and pepper. Put a lid and let that simmer for about 8 minutes. Then when the eggplant is almost totally cooked, add your greens. Then you want to add a couple dashes of fish sauce. This really brings out the umami flavor. And when everything is wilted and steaming, you're going to add the canned sardines just straight from the can and heat them up. And that's it. Just plate and serve. You can leave the sardines whole or you can break them up. I have everything for the recipe in the description below. It's fully written out and also on the site. Garnish with scallions and a squeeze of lemon and serve with rice on the side. Please follow, like, and subscribe for more Asian recipes. Thanks, guys.